This is an introduction to playing the cone grid games as part of the introduction to orienteering. Cone grids are a great way of practicing setting the map and keeping it set. To play the game you will need 16 cones. If you have 4 of each colour, that would be perfect. If you don't have any cones, you can use 16 boxes, tins or any other objects, or simply colour in chalk marks on the ground. We need to start by laying out our cones or objects in a 4x4 grid pattern. We then need a map of the cones. The cones from above are simply circles on the map. We can then add a course showing how we are to move through the grid. Now you are ready to do the course. Go to the starting cone and set your map so it matches the ground. As you follow the course, keep your map set. You can imagine that the top of the map is pointing to the North Pole and always keep it pointing there. Now we can see Tim starting at the yellow cone and following the course straight ahead to the blue cone. Then he needs to turn to his left and continue to follow the course. Although he turns, his map does not turn. Again, at the last blue cone, he turns again and moves round his map, but his map is always set. He completes the whole course, moving round the map and keeping the map set. You can add a clothes peg compass to your map. This is a good visual reminder to keep the map set and keep it pointing the same way. There are lots of courses with the supporting material which you can print out and try. These also include harder courses where we move diagonally between the cones. If you don't have cones of the correct colour or are using boxes or tins or other objects, you can colour in some paper and stick it to the top of the objects. Or you can just use a map with no colours, although this does make it slightly harder. If we have no colours, we need to mark the map to show which way is north so we can keep our map set. There are also blank maps in the resources and you can draw courses for others to undertake. Now you can have fun and practice setting the map. All the instructions and maps can be downloaded from the Scottish Orienteering website.